Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get more light and shadow material pack in Heartopia. It's fast and easy. This pack looks like this one. And this pack is one of the materials that used to craft special event furniture, especially at the dreamlike cinematic items. And usually you can get it from the quest rewards or battle pass, but those aren't always available. But in here, the easier way to get it. First, just open the shop's icon, this one, or the card icon, and then after that, just tap on the rare collectible, this one, just tap on it, and then in here you will find the light and shadow material pack like this. You can see it, and it's available for purchase using the Moonlight Crystal, this one, 50 Moonlight Crystal. You can just get this Moonlight Crystal from the daily login rewards, so make sure you log in every day. And once you have enough, just tap this pack like this, and for 10 packs it costs 50 Moonlight Crystal, this one. You can also adjust the number of right here, and if you want to buy it, just simply tap on purchase like this. And that's it. Now you can farm light and shadow materials back anytime without waiting for a quest. And you can just craft many even furniture. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.